Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the second line we have device type. Click at this line. And now we need to select headphone by just tap on them. So we just set device type, and if I go back, you see that this device use headphone device type. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!